What is AI? Alright, before we get into the video, you might have already noticed the title of the video. Yes, today's video is related to artificial intelligence. And if you have been watching my channel for a while, one question might naturally come to your mind. Wait, this channel is about graphic design, right? Then suddenly why AI? Fair question. Yes, this channel is mainly about graphic designing, its principles, motion design, visual communication, etc. Basically, for learning graphic designing from the ground up and become a better designer. And it will continue to be the same channel. That means design videos are not stopping. But starting from today, I am adding AI also into the channel. Now the question is, why? Well, the reason is very simple. AI is already becoming a part of creative industry and designers are using it for ideas, references, image generation, copywriting, research, automation, and honestly, for many more things. But the problem is, most of the people learning AI at the tool level. They know which button to click, they know which prompt to type, and also they know which AI website is trending. But they don't know really what AI is, how it works, what it can do and it cannot do, and how it is actually going to affect designers, etc. And that is the problem. This is exactly similar to design. If you only know how to use design tools or softwares, you can make something. But if you understand design from the depth, that is, if you know composition, typography, hierarchy, contrast, branding, and visual psychology, then only you are going to be a real better designer. So to be a good designer who uses AI in his workflow in a better way, it is very important to learn both design and AI from the ground up. So the goal is to help you understand AI deeply enough so that you can use it intentionally, creatively, and professionally as a designer. So from now onwards, on the channel, you can expect videos related to AI, design, and AI in design. So that on one side, you can understand design better, and on other side, you can understand the technology that is changing the design industry, and slowly you can connect both of these AI and design with each other. So today, we are starting from the absolute beginning. No technical jargon, no hype, no fear. Just one basic question. What is AI? Let's get into it. Okay, AI is basically stands for artificial intelligence. Obviously, everybody knows that. But let's actually unpack those two words. Artificial means man-made, not natural. It's creative. And intelligence means the ability to learn something, ability to give reasons for something, ability to solve a problem and make decisions. So if you put them together, artificial intelligence means man-made system which can learn, give reasons, solve problems and make decisions. That's it. It's basically an imitation of human intelligence. One very important thing everybody should understand is AI is not a single thing. It's not a one piece of software or one product or one single technology. AI is basically an umbrella term, or in simple terms, AI is basically a category which covers many different technologies, all working towards one single goal, that is, making machines think and act intelligently. That's it. Well, we have just defined AI as a man-made system which can learn, give reasons, solve problems, and make decisions, right? Now let's understand how it is able to do these things. Or in general, let's see how AI works. In traditional programming, we program the computer and we define the function for it. Then, when we provide input to that computer, it has to use the function which we have defined earlier in the program to derive the output from it. For example, if we wanted a computer to perform addition of two numbers, we used to program computer and define functions such as a plus b is equal to sum, where a and b are inputs and the sum is the basically output. Then, whenever we provide two numbers as inputs, for example, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4, computer will take these inputs and put them into the function of addition, that is a plus b, and gives the output as 6, right? This is how traditional software used to work. But AI doesn't work like that. It uses a powerful technology called machine learning. We will make a dedicated video on this machine learning, but today let's understand this in a very simple way. Here, basically what happens is, you feed the machine or AI with a large amount of data, and that data is also known as training data, and machine or AI figures out the patterns on its own and learns many things on its own using the training data. And whenever you ask or give inputs to it, it will predict the output for your given inputs or questions and gives the response or answers from the learning of training data, exactly similar to humans. I already told you AI is basically an imitation of human intelligence. For example, think about how a child learns to recognize a dog. A child will never recognize a dog by seeing only one dog, that too for the first time. It will see different types of dogs, a big dog, a small dog, black dog, white dog, dogs in a cartoon, and different breeds of dogs. And finally, over time, after seeing multiple dogs, child's brain will build its own understanding of what a dog is. That is exactly how AI works. By itself, it recognizes the patterns and make predictions and also improves over time, exactly as humans do. Well, I hope you got the basic idea of what AI is and how AI basically works. It's not magic, it's not science fiction, it's not something to be scared of. It's a tool, an incredibly powerful one that you are going to learn from the ground up on this channel along with graphic designing. We are going to learn history of AI, types of AI, what is data, neural networks, machine learning, prompt engineering, different types of LLMs, all the way up to AGIs along with graphic designing. So stay tuned. If you found this video useful, subscribe because this series is just getting started. And drop a comment. What do you already use AI for in your design work? I'm curious to know where everyone is at in this field of AI. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep it creative.